Hello everyone, my name is Dean Richard and I am the program chair of the Mechanical Engineering program at UBC Okanagan. In this video I will explain what mechanical engineering is, what you will learn in the program, some of the program highlights, and some of the job opportunities you can look forward to when you graduate. So what can you expect to do in your degree? Well, mechanical engineering is one of the core branches of engineering. This program is a good option for you if you're someone who is interested in the design, analysis, and maintenance of mechanical systems. These can range from simple components like gears and levers to more complex machinery such as engines, robots, aerospace, and biomedical systems. Mechanical engineers use the principles of physics, mathematics, and material science to develop and improve various products and technologies. And mechanical engineers are involved in a wide range of industries, which I'll talk about a little bit later, but these include automotive, aerospace, the energy sector, manufacturing, robotics, and a lot more. And mechanical engineers play a crucial role in the entire life cycle of most products, from the conceptualization and design to testing, production, and maintenance. Some of the key areas within the mechanical engineering program that we focus on here at UBC Okanagan include biomedical, energy systems, thermodynamics, fluid machinery, machines, material science, and mechatronics. So what can you expect out of your degree? In the first 2 years, you'll be studying foundational engineering topics, but in the year 3 and 4, you dive into more specialized subjects within mechanical engineering. For example, in your third year, you will study kinematics, dynamics, and design and machinery, heat transfer, fluid behavior, control systems, and advanced material science. Whereas in your fourth year, there are a number of elective courses to choose from depending on your area of interest. Some of these include biomedical engineering, alternative energy systems, aircraft design, and advanced control systems. Also in your fourth year, as well with all of the programs here at UBC Okanagan, you'll embark on a year-long capstone project, which could be interdisciplinary or specifically focused on mechanical engineering. There are 3 options available to you as a mechanical engineering student at UBCO. So in the mechatronics option, you will learn about systems that integrate mechanisms, electronics, and computers to provide autonomous solutions. In the biomedical option, you will learn about biotechnology, wearable devices, biosensors, clinical engineering, and inclusive design. And our newest option is the aerospace option, which was started to fulfill the needs of this growing sector within Western Canada. And we have a particularly large employer here in in Kelowna called KF Aerospace, which is the largest private sector employer in the area, and they have been a very strong supporter of this aerospace option. Students can also choose from a computer science or a management minor here at UBCO. So what can you expect out of your student experience? We have a number of clubs within the school that might be of interest to mechanical engineering students. Most notably and our most popular is the Motorsports Club, where students design and manufacture and then test and compete with a open-wheeled race car. We also have a Canadian Society for Mechanical Engineering's chapter here, as well as an aerospace club. There are also a number of research opportunities at the school within mechanical engineering. So undergraduate students can apply to be undergraduate research assistants and work on research projects in a professor's lab. Some of the areas related to mechanical engineering include health technologies, advanced materials, clean technologies, and our high-performance powertrain lab. UBC is a research-intensive institution, and our professors are world-renowned for their research programs, which train undergraduate, master's, and PhD students, as well as postdoctoral researchers. So what is the industry demand for mechanical engineers? Mechanical engineers play key roles in a wide range of industries. Some of them are listed here, such as automotive, aerospace, biotechnology, MEMS, or microelectromechanical systems, energy conversion, robotics and automation, and manufacturing. In fact, most industries have a need for some mechanical engineering expertise because of the breadth of knowledge that mechanical engineers possess. So what career options can I pursue using a mechanical engineering degree? Well, as I mentioned, you will find mechanical engineers pretty much everywhere. Here I've listed a number of job titles that could be filled by someone with a mechanical engineering degree. I guess maybe you probably want to pause the video here and read some of these. There's kind of a lot to digest here. So I did want to finish this video with a quote from one of our most accomplished professors in the mechanical engineering program, Dr. Dimitri Sediako, who was the former program chair before I took on the role. And I'll just read his quote here. So my personal journey in the field of mechanical engineering extended over 3 decades, most of it in industry. The areas of where he worked were thermal energy to metallurgy to materials to nuclear physics to automotive and aerospace. And without all of those, he was doing mechanical engineering work. He says that he enjoyed every day of his career and was continuously challenged with many practical problems that required cutting-edge engineering solutions. And he cannot picture a more rewarding career that offers a chance to develop something new and see how it actually works in improving people's lives. Oops. So thank you for listening to this video, and I hope it helps you make an informed decision about what type of engineering you would like to pursue. I encourage you to visit our website or contact any of our faculty or staff if you have any questions, and we'd be more than happy to chat with you. Take care. Bye.